Good morning. Welcome back to Log Cabin Firewood. My name's Jack, and thank you so much for stopping by. Today, we're going to fire up the Eastonmade Axis and the Conveyor. We're going to finish off some of this maple and gum that we have before I move the splitter and the Conveyor over to the campfire pile and blast out this pine. So I hope everybody's been doing great. It is another glorious Friday, and I got a little bit of there's ash and stuff here behind me. I got to get rid of this first. Last video I went through and did a little bit of organizing, and you can see I did such that there's a good bit of wood behind me now. I'm starting to have a good problem. This is a good problem, good wood problem, especially as somebody that wants to do more wood in the upcoming years. This is a good start for me. It's not all the best premium wood. There's a good bit of oak in here, but a lot of it is maple and sweet gum, and it's free. And free is for me. I'm not complaining. I won't be able to fetch such a premium price for the gum. I'll have to do a mixed hardwood and not sell it for what I normally sell it for, but that's okay. We're still gonna move some wood, but I've already went through and warmed everything up as I had to walk up and get the tractor, and everything's fueled up and ready to go. I did kick this pile down a little bit because I wanna try and get, there's probably 2 tractor buckets and then what's here on the ground. I want to try and get that in this pile before I have to move it. I'm going to get this done today on this video, and then I'm going to move everything over to the campfire bin, and which is behind the truck right now. We will get the pine cut up and get all the pine into this bin. I did go through and stack up all the good dry season stuff. That way this stuff is, ready to go, and then I'll just pile the rest of the pine back here. It is what it is, but I do have, this is 2 face cords. It's a little bit more than 2 face cords because this is like 9'6" wide or something like that. Whatever. We're getting rid of it, campfire loads. We're calling it a little over a face cord. Let me fire up the machines. We'll get rid of this mess on the ground in front of the Axis first. Then we'll start moving the tractor over. Let's go. And if you haven't smashed that like button yet, make sure you do it. It does help us creators out a lot more than you think. Thanks. blasted through that pile on the ground in about 10 minutes. It was about 3, whatever you call it. It was about 3 log lifts full, and a lot of it ended up becoming boiler wood. Like I said, this is going to be my most or a lot of this is going to become bundle wood, not all of it. There are some larger chunks in here, but I'll pick through the good bit of it to make bundles when it comes time to making more bundles. So now we're going to bring the tractor over and do like we normally do and set the corner of the bucket right on the axis and work off of that and hopefully get that stuff done. the conveyor stopped on me. And you could see up there, I don't know if you can because the sun's in the way. Let me try and get over here out of the sun. But as you can see, there's a piece jammed up in there. And that's why we run the conveyor at an idle. I'm not sure if it would stop. Maybe Andrew could answer that. If this thing was running wide open at full speed and something jammed, would it just stop and like kick the, stall the motor out, or would it break the chain? But from everybody that I know, they run theirs at an idle. That way it does stop. I can't answer if it would stop if it was at a running wide open. But I am going to fire this thing back up and run it in reverse and see if I can't unclog my log jam. I don't know, guys, did it come out? Looks like it. There we go. So that's another cool thing about these. They do have a reverse on them, so you could just simply tap it a few times, or it won't lock into reverse, so just tap it a few times and then you can clear your log jam. Got a little bit left in this bucket and one more. Let's do it. Well, this is it for the first round of maple and gum until I get into this other pile over here. And so far, my bin is working out really well. I am going to move the conveyor now, but I'm going to shift gears and get rid of this pine because I want to give myself a nice dump area over here. So when the tree services bring me wood, they've got this entire area right here that they can dump in. I want to continue getting wood. I want to have mountains of wood. I'd like to have all three of these rows completely full. But time will tell what we get. But that's all I got for you today. Take care of each other. Have fun. Do something fun today. Go outside and breathe some fresh air. Doesn't that feel good? It's nice out here. Take care of each other. I will see you on the next one, and be safe.